I thought it was pretty interesting how Oklahoma wants to put the Ten Commandments in front of the courthouse. And I think it's pretty interesting. I like to hear a lot of the debate back and forth on that. Because we're a Christian nation and we were founded on the Christian faith. Oh, really? Uh-huh. Well, I think that's... Excuse me. I think that's pretty interesting that people say that. I really do, because the Ten Commandments is a pretty important thing, you know? That's the one time that God ever actually came down and wrote anything, because everything else we have, you know, is just the inspired word of God. That's what, you know, people think that God said. But this is the one time when God said, this is what I think. So, since this is obviously so important to the Christian faith, it only makes sense that if the United States of America was founded on Christian values, you would see kind of a reflection of the Ten Commandments in our laws. So I thought maybe, you know, we could take a minute to actually reflect upon the Ten Commandments when compared to the United States Constitution and the Bill of Rights. So let's take a look, shall we? Let's just go ahead and take a little glance, if you may, if you will. You shall have no other gods before me. Well, that sounds pretty simple. Is that in our laws? Oh, what's this about a First Amendment? Oh, apparently you can worship any god or gods you like. Well, that doesn't really seem to add up. It seems like maybe it's not based on the thing. Well, let's just hold on. There's got to be a few more in here. Something. You shall not make for yourself a carved image, any likeness of anything that is in heaven above, or that is in the earth beneath, or that is in the water under the earth. Well, no. I'm pretty sure we can do that too. You shall not take the name of the Lord your God in vain. No, I can do that too. I can do that all day long. Let's take a few more. Remember the Sabbath day and keep it holy. Nah, I can work on the Sabbath day. What is going on here? Honor your father and your mother. Well, I try to, but I'm pretty sure if I don't, nobody's gonna put me to death. This is just weird. 6. You shall not murder. Alright, you got me there. That is a legitimate law. We should definitely put the Ten Commandments in front of courthouses. 7. You shall not commit adultery. Dang, I can do that. I can definitely do that. And nothing happens. This is just not looking good. 8. You shall not steal. Alright, that's a law. 9. You shall not bear false witness against your neighbor. Well, this one I think is kind of in the gray area more. I mean, in court of law, obviously that's true, but I mean, I can bear false witness against my neighbor all day if I want otherwise. 10. You shall not covet your neighbor's house, you shall not covet your neighbor's wife, nor his male servant, nor his female servant, nor his ox, nor his donkey, nor anything else that is your neighbor's. Excuse me. No. I can covet my neighbor's donkey all day long. All day. And nothing's gonna happen. This is interesting. So, basically, it looks like of the 10, we've got 2 that are laws. 2. And one that maybe, maybe sometimes, maybe not. So out of the 10, 2. Now the other fun thing that a lot of people don't know about is the punishments for breaking these 10 commandments, because those are pretty fun too. 7 of those 10, if you break them, you're dead. If you worship another god, you're dead. If you don't honor your father or your mother, you're dead. I just don't see how anyone could make a case to say that our government, our American government, is in any way based upon these ancient laws.